Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I'm going to be bringing you, I'm trying to cover this, I have this box that I just received today, and this is from Boxycharm, and these are just the few items that I bought from their Boxy pop-up sale that they have. And it took a little while. I think I ordered almost right away with the pop-up. It took a little while for this stuff to come. You know, it's just packaged in a plain brown box with brown paper, and I only ordered a few things. A lot of things that I wanted were still a little too pricey. I thought maybe I understand the one item. I wanted the big, huge Luxie brush collection, and I thought it might be slightly cheaper than it was. I think it was like $79 or $80, but there was a lot of brushes in there. And then I wanted I think it was the skincare fridge, and that was sold out like immediately. So I'll keep on trying with their pop-ups when they have them, and I'm not sure if they do them every month or if they do them right before a Boxy Lux. And Oreo just jumped down. She heard crinkling paper. Never knows if it's for her. So real fast, I just wanted to bring you what I got from the pop-up. The first thing that I got is from NCLA, and this is the So Rich, and this is the cuticle oil. I got this in a box and love it. Love, love, love it. I have one that's like half gone, and I'll use that one for like my toes when I do, because I do my own pedicure too. I don't like people messing with my feet. So I'll use that one for that. I have been using a different one. I don't like to mix them. So then I'll save this one strictly for my nails, and this stuff really works well when I take all my polish off, and lightly, you know, if I have to cut, you know, or trim or file, after I'm all done that, I put the oil on and let it sit for a couple hours before I even put anything on my nails, and really let that get in there and do what it's supposed to do. So I got that, and that was only a couple dollars when I got that. And then I got 2 sets of the Moda Pro by Royal & Langnickel, the 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So there's a shader, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush in here. And on the back, it does tell you. So I figured these were $5 each, and I would get them. And I'm not going to open them because I'm going to put them in a future giveaway, probably for the March giveaway, which will be coming up real soon. And I thought this would be a great addition because this is almost a complete eye set for you to use with palettes that I would be giving away. I did get and it was in a separate box, my Becca Cashmere foundation that I didn't get in my Boxy base that they sent for me. So that came also. And then I also ordered, and I opened this because I just wanted to get cut the bag and then get the texture of it. So I thought it would be real cute. I got the Boxycharm V-neck shirt in here. And this might be a little bit big. I'd rather it be a little bit big than too small. I think I got a large instead of a medium. But it's not real thick material. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. You know, just your straight V-neck, short sleeve, you know, plain back. It's just, you know, a basic t-shirt. But I thought it was really cute with the Boxycharm logo on it, and not like a massive. They had their crew, and I think the logo was directly in front, which I didn't want. I figured a little bit off to the side. I don't know if I would wear this out. I mean, I probably will, but I could definitely wear this when I'm filming my Boxycharm videos. I thought that would be really cute. And this is black. And it is pretty thin. I don't think you'll see through it. I mean, I won't wear anything white underneath of it. I will wear dark undergarment. But, you know, even with leggings or, you know, just to throw, you know, on around the house. And if I wear it out, I wear it out. You know, I think it's adorable. So I just wanted to come on real fast and show you the few things that I ordered from the pop-up. And this, I'm trying to think how much this was. $12 or something along that range. I thought that would be a cute thing to have when I'm filming the videos. Both brush sets, which you guys will benefit from, because like I said, I'm not even opening them, saving them for a giveaway. And if you guys have a chance to get this, and there's still some crystallized, it's very cold out here. I mean, we had a little bit of snow today. So I don't think it's completely thawed out. So that is the cuticle oil, which I love. And then, like I said, I got the, you know, Becca foundation. So now I can at least try that out. Oh, my finger is giving me so much trouble. It's not, I don't know if you guys can see the difference in my pinkies. This is the one here that I jammed up when I fell. And I think it's definitely still bigger than this one. And it just locks up on me and it hurts like all the way up into here. I don't know if I think I might have overstretched the tendon or the ligament in there, and it's just having a hard time. I mean, I stopped wearing the brace. My doctor doesn't know that because it's pain. You know, you got to do dishes and I have to do this and lunch, and it was flying off. And my finger was doing better when I was wearing it consistently, so I might have to put that back on. Just to hope that gets better. I mean, it starts to hurt after a while. So, like I said, I figured I'd pop on and at least show you what I ordered from the pop-up sale. I think a lot of their prices were very good for things. A lot of the items I either, one, had no use for, or two, I already owned. I thought the shirts were really cute, and I almost didn't see them because I wasn't going to scroll down that far. I knew they'd have some sort of brushes. I was hoping they would have their Boxycharm brushes on there that they were putting in boxes, because I would have loved to have the full set. I definitely would have bought them. And I was actually going to go back and order more of these for $5 so that I can include them in, like, have them for several giveaways, and that fast they were sold out. But at $5, I understand. Moda by Royal and Langnickel, very good brush company. I mean, I have a lot of the R&L brushes for my acrylics when I paint. Very good brushes. And the Moda Pro, and they're 100% vegan. They have nice handles on them. I'll give you kind of a little close-up there of them. You can see the handle and the brushes. I mean, if I was going to keep a set, I would open them, but I am not. And they are all labeled with their numbers. So I thought somebody would enjoy them. You know, not everybody can afford to get out there and buy tons of brushes. And, you know, this is a good brand. And you could complete your eye look with that. I mean, you might have to maybe use one of them color switch things, or just quick wipe it off on a towel and get most of the color off and then just reuse it. But I think you could use a couple of them. You would use them all, but if you needed for eyeshadow, you could use maybe the first two, which is the shader. And what's the other one? The shader and the crease brush. You could definitely, plus even some of these other ones here, like the detail, you could use them all for the actual eyeshadow, and then the other two use for under your eye or smudging and lining and stuff. So I think that's a great find, especially $5. I just couldn't beat it. So I quick wanted to get this filmed. I just received this box just a few minutes ago, and I'm getting ready to end the night for me. It's been a busy last week or two, full of stress and just busyness, errands, running around, you know, normal home things. Lots of excitement this week since the channel got monetized last Saturday. So it's been monetized for a week now. And I appreciate all of you that are watching the entire video, and you know what I'm talking about. That is so, so kind of you. And that's it for this video. And I hope you all have a great weekend. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.